Hello everybody, happy Friday. Looks like it's going to be quite nice weather coming up, so now you're allowed to. It'd be great if you can socially distance yourselves and go to the park and maybe get some fresh air and some sunshine. That'd be lovely. I'd like to say sorry that the assembly's a little bit later than normal today. I've been working at school and Mr. Thompson's been here as well, giving out books to families with the library, so that's why. But the good news is you've got the whole weekend for your Oracy debate. So over to Mr. Thompson, and take care everyone.
Hello and welcome to this week's Oracy Assembly. So as you know, what we'd like you to do is listen to our statement, and with your family at home I'd like you to have a chat and discuss whether you agree or disagree, and maybe come up with some examples. And this week what we'd like you to discuss is this statement: spending extra time with your family is a good thing. So, spending time with your family is a good thing. Discuss it with your family. Think about whether you agree or disagree, and we would love to hear what you think on Twitter or email. Take care and have a lovely weekend.